Hi, Miss Kay.
Hi, Miss Kay. Miss you.
We're going to meet your tita in Zurich.
Yeah, we're going
City.
to meet Tita in Zurich at the city. There, at the big clock.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're going inside now. We're going inside. Yeah, here's the. Yeah. This. Oops. What you say?
We're going to Zurich City now.
Tudoy.
We're looking for the shoes.
We're looking for the shoes. Shoes of Cinderella.
Yeah. Siapa ka sa'yo? Gila mo, sakit kayo mo.
The last battle. Ito na ang huling laban.
Tungay na sa banga. One, two, three. Whoa! One more.
Thank you, sir.
Saan tayo pupunta, guys?
Sa
orasan.
H&M.
H&M? Yeah.
Sa New Yorker.
Yes.
Madato.
Huli na,
Mayaman.
nagbasan kang.
Mayaman.
Ah, mayaman nun, yung mga dala.
Huli na. Ay,
Anak pa?
ay magbasa ta. Ay
Tita ni Miss Kay. Ang ganda-ganda naman ni Tita. Ang ganda.
Pamilya nila sobrang maganda talaga.
Aha. Thank you po sa pagdating, Tita. By the way, this is my husband.
Hello.
Hello. Daniel.
Daniel.
Daniel. Tita of Miss Kay.
And how do you like Switzerland?
Yeah, ano po, maganda, sobra. I like it. Kaso yung first week, second week po dito, parang, syempre, parang naninibago na lang.
Pero ang dami pinag-its.
Opo, marami.
Ayan, so you know the place, so it's there.
Tapos,
Hey, how was your laag?
Very nice. Enjoy. Brad Bush. Feeling dunk. Feeling dunk. Woo! Hello sa mga taga-Buladra. Takit sa Andra. Takit sa Pasko. Hello sa akong mama. Mingaw na ko ninyo.
Sige, ninamita mo.
Salamat.
Yeah, kung kamay. Bilhin niyo kung kamay ka. Donald. Diba? How was your laag?
Yeah, fine. I'm tired, man.
How was your laag?
Tawanan eh. It's so nice because kasama ko sa Ivan.
Wala din ba yung ay sakat? Ang wire na Andre. Okay. Di, nagamit si Ate Jenny. How was the laag?
Bayad na. May mga balo lang mo. Bayad na.
Pangito.
We don't have to wait for my phone. We can do something, we can go around and then just
Hello. See you next year na. Thank you guys.
Iiyak na
Gonna
yan.
miss you all.
Iiyak. Dito ba?
Ito ko ni moment.
Nag-bike ba? Yoy. Yoy, wish na siya. Swerte namin kasi makilala namin siya dito. Doy! Miss ka. Mista ka. Saka. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Dito kahit eh.
Hoy! K-pop? Ikaw yan? OMG!
Hi. Bukas babalik na kami sa Pilipinas. Pero lalapag kami sa 21. Miss din namin yung Pilipinas. Pero miss din namin dito.
Oo nga. Miss talaga namin lalo si Tidoy. Tsaka si Ate Jen. Tsaka yung tita ni Ate Karel. Tsaka yung mga Pilipino na nandito. Miss namin yung mga magandang lugar dito.
Lalo na yung mga tumulong sa mga Pinoy dito sa Pinay. Yung mga naging driver, manandalian dahil sa amin. Dahil gusto nila kaming ipasyal sa saan lugar. Thank you po. Mga libre nyo, mga binigay nyo chocolates, mga binigay nyo tulong, mga pagkain. Yung aalis kami para mag-dinner lang doon na lugar, tapos aalis agad para naman magpasyal. Thank you po. Saya-saya.
Thank you po. Si Balat. Wapo kayo mga tao. Si Balat. Wapong tao. Si Ivan. Sikat. Talented. Maraming sports na alam. Yun po sila. Si Elmer po yan. Yan si Elmer.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, for me, hi.
Oh, hey bro.
Nice wide drive. Ciao.
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 Ciao is Italian.
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Kala ko cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese pala.
Kaya mag-alala, babalik siya dito. Babalik siya dito. Babalik siya dito. Babalik siya dito.
tubig çıkardı bana. Bana çeşme bayım. Taze doğru çıkıyor.
Alexander tells her friends, if you want after you come to the house.
You have bag?
Yeah. What?
Yeah.
What are you buying? What's that? Huh? Smiley. Can I see again?
From where
Focus.
you
Philippines.
Oh wow, sure.
Changing color.
Huh?
Changing color.
We're here in outside. We're going to the other side like this there, and so very cold. I have a scarf like this, brown scarf and black jacket. We're going to the
Siya po yung
part of
favorite ng camera para po kami
street.
nandun sa
We're going to the part of street and we met the auntie of Miss K.
Auntie.
Hi, Miss K.
We go 1, 2, 3.
Oh, lumubot.
Ito na may magbaba.
Pound na ka.
1.
Go.
Oh, wow.
I got some from
Ito.
Hindi ko ba
One more, walkie. One, two.
And then no, before that, anong no like that? Yeah. And then no, you do the crab. Go, oh my god. You guys think you can move that stuff.
Wow, wow. You got the best of my love. Wow, wow. You got the best of my
Yeah, we're
love.
singing now because
Yes,
we're happy.
because para
I
sa'yo,
brought some-
laban na to. Paano mag-bird?
Night? Night?
Wait, you don't have to pick up Alex. You don't have to pick up Alex.
This is our last night here.
Okay, let's go.
Now we're back. We're going to somewhere. Di namin alam kung saan kami papunta. Wow, wow. Ito doon, naiyak na kasi iwan na siya ni Gon.
Oh.
Nagkapay na si Donald. Pagod na, pagod.
Tired.
Donald, always tired.
Yo! Ay, may kamera din pala dito.
Now we hear the tree, singing the tree, the old people, because Christmas is already here. Now we up in here now. Now we up here now.
Your face again?
Yeah, this is the great I ever seen, yo.
Yo! Ang lamig. Mali yung nasuot mong jacket. Sobrang nipis. Later daw, yung mga lights na yan, ipakita. Mamaya, sisilawan yan lahat.
Oh, sige.
Oh, guys. Say something, say something. Say something.
If you from few minutes, the lights is on. Light is on. In a few minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes.
Bigyan mo naman ng chance yung iba, pare.
Huwag kilabot.
Bigyan mo naman ng chance yun.
Hey, guys.
Bigyan mo nga sa kanya yan.
Hi.
Go! Whoa! Whoa! What's that? What's that? What's that?
Merry Christmas!
So many people are waiting just for the lights. Exciting. Exciting.
Merry Christmas!
Okay.
Tired. Slipper eh.
Swagger. Look my swagger. Look my swagger.
Swagger.
Swagger. Please look like Alexander.
Yes,
Moves like
Move like Swagger.
Moves like Swagger.